What's going on, guys? Raw Real Fishing here, and today I'm back with another video. But this trip's a little bit different. The reason that this video is a little bit different is because me and my dad decided to get some new pontoon boats. I'll show you. We're loaded in our thing right now, but look at that. And I just stepped on my own fishing pole. And I broke it. Well, that sucks. Well, anyways, what I was saying is, watch your step. Don't want to step on the fishing pole again. Yeah, the top one's mine. That's the motor mount, if you're wondering what that is. Because it's supposed to go back there, but I'm I'm just so short and not very good. I mean, like that. So, yeah. Motor mount's in front. And today, I'm fishing that is the lure. That tail. I will tell you guys more once we get to the lake. See ya. Gonna let him go. See you, dude. This video actually got inspired by Nick from 6.8 Fishing. Go check him out. Link in the description. And my battery's been dead. So shit. This water's so deep.